fried chicken. Very simple, very elegant, and y'all asked for it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on to it. Alright, so, first thing we need, we're going to need flour, we're going to need buttermilk, our chicken, of course, which is already sitting in our buttermilk and Worcestershire sausage mixture. We have our fish fry, our salt, and our pepper, and also that we're going to use. Alright, you see, we already have our chicken, our buttermilk, and Worcestershire sauce mixture. And what we're going to let that do is let that rest and work for about an hour so that it can properly marinate and get everything going, get the good flavor that we want, and also be easier to work with later on when we're going to add it to our flour mixture. So, this is pretty much what you're going to do to add the goodness. First thing we're going to do is add our fish fry. You're going to add the whole bag just like that. Then you're going to add a whole half cup of flour. You want to make sure you get your all-purpose flour. That's 1/2. A little more on top right there, just like that. Then we get our cayenne pepper. And you want to get in there and get until the white starts to turn red. Because when we're doing frying, you want everything to get in there and get all your flavors. And unfortunately, that means you got to use a lot. So right now, we're using a lot of pepper. Put a little heat on there. It's kind of like when you're making sausages. You got to use more to get a little. So right about there, we'll do that. We're going to add just about 1 or 2 drops of cooked salt, like that. And then we're going to go back to our garlic powder, onion powder, pepper mixture. And for this, we're just going to go ahead and take the cap off. You want to tap it in just like that. And there you go. Now all you got to do is get a fork or just close off the bag like I do. Take the bag like this. And grab it and shake. That way, you can get everything nice and mixed up, like that. Ta-da! Now you're ready to add our chicken. Oil. You need a clear oil for fryer for your with clean oil in it. Otherwise, you can use a stainless steel pot, or I prefer an old school skillet. But I'm using this today because, well, it's faster and easier. So, either this or skillet. Start putting our chicken in the bag and just shaking the bag up and flouring it and putting it in the fryer. So, always with gloves on when you're dealing with raw meat. Right from the buttermilk to the bag. You want to do about maybe 6 or 7 at a time. Take off your gloves. You're going to be redoing gloves about 2 or 3 times for this one. Once you're done with that, you want to take them up. Make sure they're thoroughly coated. And we're going to go ahead and add to the fryer. Mixture. Take them off. Right to the fryer. Our temperature up, and here we go. Very simple, easy, traditional fried chicken. Thank you for watching Grumpy Y'all Watching.
Hey, I see you watching. Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.